Hey, I'm Rocky. I'm from India, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I'm basically an entrepreneur of. Hey, I'm Rocky here. I'm from India, Coimbatore. I'm basically an tire entrepreneur who running a factory about more than 1.5 decades in India. And we are getting into a larger volume of manufacturing of Cocopeat due to this increasing demand in the globalization. So we thought, okay, we have a dryer to dry the Cocopeat than the sun drying. If we have some mechanized drying, so that will improve the product quality as well as the quantity throughout the year. So to do that, so we have got to know that there's a company called Menama Engineering from Sri Lanka, Ranwale. So we have got a chance to visit the company. So we have inspected this dryer. It looks like it's very promising dryer, and I have done all the due diligence of the Cocopeat. What I am aware of, looks like it is a very good product right now. And so stay tuned. We'll keep you posted about the test reports and the further information what I have collected as the samples. And so far, I have visited a few of their facilities. They have already installed the dryer. Looks like it's very promising, and they are using it for quite some time. It's more than 2 quarters they are using it. So looks like so far so good, and I am look forward to work with them for the future. Thank you.